Okay, we got a lovely question. We are expected to integrate integral negative pi to pi 2x of 1 positive sin x divided by 1 positive cos squared x times dx. Now foremost, let me take this to be equal to I. I would like to rewrite this as negative pi to pi 2x times 1 times dx over 1 positive cos squared x positive 2x times sin x over 1 positive cos squared x times dx. So integral is from minus pi to pi. Now if you were to take this as, say, sum f of x, and if you were to take this quantity as, say, sum g of x, then foremost we will have to ascertain if the function is odd or even. We can proceed only if the function is even. If the function is odd, then the integrals, they converge to 0. That means you have nothing to integrate and the outcome is going to be 0. So having mentioned that, it becomes imperative to find the nature of the function, whether the given function is odd or even. So for that, I take x to be equal to negative x in f of x. So therefore f of negative x is equal to 2 times of negative x divided by 1 positive cos squared of negative x. This is rewritten as a negative 2 times x. Now cos is already an even function, so cos squared of negative x will return us the cos squared function back. But what is this? This is nothing but the given function, which is f of x, but there is a negative sign. Now since f of negative x is equal to negative f of x, this means f of x is odd. So this in turn means integral negative pi to pi 2x dx divided by 1 positive cos squared x is equal to 0. Okay, so this integral goes off. Now we have to check this g of x. So g of x is equal to 2 times x sin x divided by 1 positive cos squared x. So let x be equal to negative x. So therefore g of negative x is equal to 2 times of negative x times sin of negative x divided by 1 positive cos squared of negative x. Now this is going to be negative 2 times x. Now sine of negative x, sine is already an odd function, so sine of negative x is equal to sine of, or I would say sine of negative x is equal to negative sine x. So that negative comes out like this, divided by, as I mentioned to you, cos is already even, so cos squared of negative x will return us back the cos squared x function. Now negative is becomes positive, so positive 2 times x sin x divided by 1 positive cos squared x. Now what exactly is this? This is nothing but the initial start of the g of x, so this is equal to g of x. So since g of negative x gives us back g of x, so this means the function g of x is even. So that means we can proceed. So all that remains is this quantity. So let me go up and rewrite this. So our new I, hence I is equal to integral negative pi to pi 2 times x sin x over 1 positive cos squared x times the dx. So let me check if that is the given quantity. Okay, alright, we are on the right track. Now this is going to be rewritten as 2 times integral 0 to pi 2 times x sin x divided by 1 positive cos squared x times the dx. Now there is a property in integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a negative x times dx. So by this property, this is going to be equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi 2 times of pi negative x times sine of pi negative x divided by 1 positive cos squared of pi negative x times dx. Okay, this is what we've got. Now sine of pi negative x. So what is sine of pi negative x? This is nothing but sine pi cos x negative cos pi sin x. Sin pi goes off, cos pi is a negative one, so this is going to give us sin x. So this is going to be equal to 2 into 2 is 4 times integral 0 to pi negative x times the sine x divided by 1 positive. Now cos of pi negative x, let us check what is that. I'm going to show that to you here. Cos of pi negative x is nothing but cos pi cos x positive sine pi sine x. Okay, now this goes off. This is going to give me negative cos x, but we are dealing with cos squared of pi negative x, so this is going to be squared and you're going to get a positive value for cos x. Of course the square is there, so it's going to be 2 there. Okay, I hope you're watching this. So this is going to be giving us cos squared x times the dx. Now on the left I got I, so this is our new I. Okay, so we can further down, we can go forward in splitting the quantity. So this I is equal to 4 times of integral 0 to pi times of sine x dx divided by 1 positive cos squared x, and then you have negative 4 times x, so 4 is being distributed, and then you have sine x divided by 1 positive cos squared x dx. Okay, so what we have here is now actually we have a I here, right? So this I can also be used. So this is nothing but 2 into 2 is 4 integral 0 to pi x times the sine x divided by 1 positive cos squared x dx, right? So I'm going to, in place of this, I'm going to use this I. So already you have quantity here, so this is the exact quantity that is featured here. So in place of this, I can, this entire quantity I can replace it with I. So this is 4 times integral 0 to pi times sine x dx divided by 1 positive cos squared x negative I. You have I there, you push this I to the other side, you get 2 times I is equal to 4 times integral 0 to pi times sine x dx divided by 1 positive cos squared x. Okay, so our duty now is to integrate this quantity. So the question is, how are we going to integrate this? Now what I wish to do is I will have to make a substitution. I'll take pi out, so pi is taken out, so 0 to pi sine x dx divided by 1 positive cos squared x. So this is what we have got. So let me rewrite that. So 2 times I is equal to 4 times pi integral 0 to pi sine x dx divided by 1 positive cos squared x. Now can I take cos x is equal to t? Can I make the substitution? So I get sine x dx is equal to dt with a negative sign. So you have sine x dx is equal to negative dt. Now when x is equal to 0, t is equal to cos of 0, which is nothing but t is equal to 1. When x is equal to pi, t is equal to cos of pi, which means negative 1. So this is equal to, of course, 2 times I on the left side, so 4 pi 1 to negative 1 negative dt divided by 1 positive cos x is t. So I'm just substituting whatever we have got. So negative sign, this can be rewritten as negative 1 to 1 dt divided by 1 positive t squared. This is an even function, so I can rewrite this as 2 times integral 0 to 1 dt of 1 positive t squared. Integrating this is going to give me tan inverse of t 0 to 1. This is nothing but 8 times pi. This will give me tan inverse of 1 negative tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0 goes away. Tan inverse of pi, this is going to give me pi divided by 4. 4 divides here 2 times, and you have pi squared here. But already you have a 2 times I there. So I is giving us a value of so this is actually 2 is present here, right? So 4 divides here 2 times, so this 2 times pi squared is here. So let me give one more step. So this means 2 times I is equal to, as I mentioned to you, pi into pi is pi squared. There is a 2 there, so 2 pi squared. So 2 gets cancelled, therefore I is equal to pi squared. Okay, so that is the solution for this question. I is equal to pi squared. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.